followed by Department of Agriculture, displaying protected cultivation in polling house.
Mới đi ada chất đàn của Sài Gòn. Ini kan juga ada ini satu tahu itu. Mereka pakai itu tak siap cukup sih. Itu perlu. Mana mulai benar. Mereka ini kan bisa dikerjakan.
Saluting Commander Rohit Thamcho, saluting Commander Narayan Chauhan and Sarthe Teron. In the 9th contingent, St. Mary's High School SCC is led by Commander Holison Teron, saluting Commander Rohit Thamcho and Jacob Teron. Marching forward, the school contingent we have in the 10th Platoon Erudite Academy led by Platoon Commander Barelong Crow and flag bearer Rohan Bey. In the 11th contingent, we have PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalay led by Platoon Commander Sarpamcho Rongham, flag bearer Jacob Bey. In the 12th contingent, we have Assam Rifle Public School led by Miss Chetri and flag bearer Anaisha Bansal. In the 13th contingent, we have Union Christian English School, led by Platoon Commander Sarim Teron and flag bearer Ang Song Crow. In the 14th contingent, we have Diphu Govt Girls Higher Secondary School, led by Platoon Commander Tunlai Shri Goyari and flag bearer Roshni Basfar. In the 15th contingent, we have Chandra Singh Teron High School, led by Platoon Commander Krishna Bora and flag bearer Ganesh Baitha. In the 16th emergency toll-free number phone kori aso roba 1077 number phone kori aso ei number to ase district disaster management number ete phone koriu teoloke ete uddhar hello disaster management ভূমিকম্প বতাহ ধুমুহাৰ যেতিয়া আমাৰ ক্ষতিসাধন কৰে তেতিয়া উদ্ধাৰৰ বাবে আমি প্ৰাকৃতিক দুৰ্যোগ বিভাগ টোল ফ্ৰী নম্বৰ 1077 আমি ডাইল কৰিব লাগে আৰু লগে লগে তেওঁলোকৰ টিম পঠাই দিয়ে তেওঁলোকৰ টিম হৈছে DDRF ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট ডিজাস্টাৰ ৰেছপন্স ফ'ৰ্চ CQRT চাৰ্কুল কুইক ৰেছপন্স টিম এণ্ড চিভিল ডিফেন্স তেওঁলোকে উদ্ধাৰ কৰে যিসকল ব্যক্তি ধ্বংসস্তূপত যিবোৰ আবদ্ধ হৈ তেওঁলোকক উদ্ধাৰ কৰে ভলেণ্টিয়াৰসকলে আৰু তেওঁলোকক ফাৰ্ষ্ট এড
Jangan ada kau itu. Mana kira tangkap tu?
Disobey. The 17th contingent, we have Don Bosco Higher Secondary School led by Platoon Commander Rangsina Terang and Flag Bearer Bharti Rongpipi. In the 18th contingent, we have Ringbonghom Higher Secondary School led by Platoon Commander Aman Togdi and Flag Bearer Sarmon Ingti. In the 19th contingent, we have Modern English High School, led by Platoon Commander Clarlin Terangpi and Flag Bearer Angtik Ronghi. And last but not least, the 23rd APIRBN Band Party, led by Havildar Dilip Kiso. Following the Grand Prix, secondly, Soil Conservation Department,